let's face it, we all get stressed out, right? Especially me at these cat shows.
Meow.
Katie made this really cool recipe with a stress-relieving balloon, and she's gonna show me how to make it.
For this recipe, you will need a cup of flour, an empty water bottle or similar bottle, a balloon, a funnel, and if you don't have a funnel, you can get creative and tape a piece of paper like we did, fir needle essential oil, which is really gonna help with your focus, lavender essential oil, which is really calming, and tangerine essential oil, which is really uplifting, and those will work together to help ease your stress.
Perfect, thanks Katie.
So to start, you're gonna put the flour in this container.
All right, so I'm gonna put my essential oils into the bottle now.
Yep, so 5 drops of tangerine, and 5 drops fir needle, and 3 drops lavender essential oil.
So now shake it?
Yep. If you lose your lid, you can do that. All right, now what you're gonna wanna do is blow up this balloon a little bit. This helps stretch it so it can hold the flour. Yep.
Is that good?
Perfect.
Okay.
And now you can let the air out. And you're gonna put it over the top of the balloon, the bottle.
Good.
And yep, make sure that the balloon is over the opening. Now you're gonna flip it over. All right, so you're gonna wanna give it like one good squish so that a lot of the flour gets in there, otherwise it'll kind of come up and down back into the bottle with air pressure. So squish it up here, squeeze it all down.
Oh, there you go.
So you want to keep the bottle squished, and then you can pinch the balloon and pull it off, but don't let go of the balloon. Keep it pinched, otherwise the flour will come flying out. The smell really comes through the balloon, and it squishes really nicely to help ease stress, and your child will love it. So you got the balloon, a label, the recipe card, the 3 essential oils. Subscribe to our monthly recipe box. It comes with 4 full-size essential oils, 6 different recipes, plus the things you need to make them.
Plus you get a bonus box if you subscribe now. The bonus box has everything you're gonna need for the next 6 months worth of recipes that are coming your way.
This month's box is kid-themed, so it comes with 6 recipes that are perfect for your kid, including a natural slime recipe and bubble recipe.
Wow, I'm so excited to make those recipes. Bye.